In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome flow in Klaviyo, a powerful email marketing platform. If you're looking to enhance the initial experience for your subscribers, setting up a welcome flow is a fantastic way to make a great first impression and set the stage for future interactions. So, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is navigate over to the left panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, you'll see several options. We're interested in flows, which will be the backbone of our automated email sequence. Go ahead and click on Flows, and this will bring you to the main Flows page. This section is where you can manage all your automation processes. It's like the central hub for all your sequences, allowing you to keep everything organized and efficient. Once you're on the Flows page, look for the option to create a flow. It's usually easy to spot, often highlighted to catch your attention. Click on Create Flow to start building your welcome sequence. This is the exciting step that allows you to mold your flow according to your strategic goals. Keep in mind that a welcome flow is often the first point of contact your subscribers have, which makes this a crucial step in making a positive impact. Now, let's make this process smoother and more effective by utilizing Klaviyo's templates. To do this, use the search bar at the top of the flow creation page and type in Welcome. Klaviyo conveniently provides several template flows designed for welcoming new subscribers or members. These templates are an excellent starting point because they are created with recommended practices in mind, offering a great mix of professional design and strategic touch. Once you've done the search, you'll see a list of different welcome flow templates. Click on one that catches your eye to get a closer look at its setup. You'll be able to see the flow structure, what messages are included, and when they're scheduled to be sent. This visual representation can help you imagine how your new subscribers will experience your brand through these emails. With your selected template in front of you, it's time to customize. You can start by adding your own unique name for the flow. Naming your flow is important for organization and allows you to recognize it at a glance when you have multiple flows running simultaneously. After naming it, you should also specify the trigger for your flow. A trigger is an event that will initiate the sequence. Most often, it's when someone subscribes to your mailing list. And there you have it. Those are the basics you need to know to set up a welcome flow in Klaviyo. This foundational step is an excellent opportunity to personalize and extend your brand's voice to new subscribers, making them feel valued and part of your community from the start. Be sure to keep observing and refining your flow to optimize engagement and maximize its impact. Thank you for joining me today, and happy marketing!